with Goodnight Moon. Should we try with Goodnight
Can I
Moon?
stop it for a minute?
No, you can't stop it for a minute.
Let him open up the book.
He doesn't really open the book. In the great green room, there was a telephone and a red balloon and a picture of...
Wait a minute. That's so funny. You're looking at the back of the book.
In the great green room, there was a telephone and a red balloon and a picture of...
Oh, God. Can't you die from that? All right.
the cow jumping over the moon. I think we're done.
All right. That's so funny. I think that is so... You have to send it to me.